Alright guys, so I just got back home from the barbershop. He did a really good job actually. He cut it all even, all over, you know. So this was my first time going to this young man, and he was, I don't know, he was Asian descent. I don't want to say if he was Japanese, Korean. I don't know what his ethnicity was, but I know he was Asian descent, and he did an amazing job on this black girl hair, honey. So yeah, I'm about to put my bleach in. This is my second time doing this, and we're just gonna have to hope for the best, hope and pray for the best, because I don't want to spend, you know, what, 100 and something X amount of dollars to get my hair colored. I can do this. I can do this. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to use the same thing I used the last time. I haven't colored my hair since the last video. I picked up these coloring caps from the dollar store, so I'm going to use that. I have a new bowl, new mixing bowl, brush, 30 volume developer. I have my BW2 powder. Okay, so we have the shimmer lights. These are the ear caps. I got those from the dollar store, and this is a coloring cape. I might not need it, but I'm going to use it anyways. I have the moisture replenishing conditioner from Nairobi, and for shampoo, actually I do have a moisturizing shampoo, but I probably won't use that. Yeah, no, I don't know. I just have it. And then I have the 20 volume developer for the toner, coconut oil for my edges, and I think that's it. Okay, so we're gonna get to this hair. I love the length. He did a really good job. Love the length. He did good. I'm very proud of that. Happy about that. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, I forgot. I need to get my scale, because when it comes to measurements, I don't want to eyeball. So I'm going to do the scale. And I had to go get me my gloves. Okay, so let's get started.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
Okay, you guys, so it's been about 30 minutes, so I'm going to take this cap off. And we still have some time to go. I'm just gonna comb through it just to make sure that everything is processing. I mean, it looked like it, but I still see a little black, right? I don't know why it still feels like my roots are black. Maybe I'm tripping, but this is how we're looking. I'm gonna let this sit on for another like 15 minutes. I'm gonna take the cap off this time because I want to see it actually get crusty. So I'm gonna leave the cap off, but yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for about another 15 minutes.
A bit more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach.
Okay, so this is what we have. I'm not mad at it. I didn't want to leave the shimmer lights on too long because I didn't want it to turn purple. I'm still a little brassy in the back, but that's okay because I am going to tone it. I'm going to use this Wella Toner 10A, and it is the lightest ash blonde. So let's see what that is going to do when I add the toner. Hopefully when I add the toner, it'll lighten it up even more, I guess. I'm not really sure. But okay, here we go. So I've cleaned out the bowl, and the toner is 1 to 2 parts. So let me get my measuring. So it's 1 part toner, 2 part developer. So I'm gonna use the 20 developer and leave it on for 20 minutes. So
It's on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and you're making my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
all right, so the toner is on. I'm gonna let it sit on there for 20 minutes per the directions. And once we wash it out, I'm gonna wash it out with the moisturizing shampoo, and then I'm gonna condition it with the moisturizing replenishing shampoo, and then we'll be done. Once I mold it down, we'll be done. So while this is processing, I'm gonna start cleaning up. Okay, I'm about to wash this out because it's turning gray, and I don't want it to turn gray. So I'm about to wash this out. So we are a little bit gray, but I'm not mad at it because eventually, like, it goes away. It goes away in like a day. The last time I dyed my hair, I think it's the toner that I'm using. I'm using the 10A. Next time I'm gonna use the I think the T118 by Wella. That's what I'm gonna use the next time. So I still got some yellowness in the back. It's not terrible, but it's not what I wanted. So, but it'll be fine. You know what I mean? So let's mold it down.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, and you're making my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
Okay, you guys, so this is the color and this is how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with the results, actually. I'm pretty happy with the results. So, yeah, we did it. We did it, guys.